Hello again, Rebecca here, back with the second half of the Vicki Boutin page kits. So we're just going to dive right in. You guys know that I have been creating all of these page kits to go to a crop next weekend. Well, actually, yeah, it will be next weekend when you're watching this because this is going to go up. No, I might be there. I'm not sure when this is going up. But it's a teal layout or kit, so again, just hanging out at the Rusty Runt. Created some titles. We've got some fun embellishments to go. I just pulled all the things. I was able to create 10 kits, so probably 20 some odd layouts, because there's, you know, if you've seen the first video, which not, check it out, it's on my channel. There were lots and lots, and as you can see, we're getting smaller and smaller because as I work my way through the collections and use up the things, I don't need them anymore. So, or I run out of stuff, right? So, it is what it is, but you also know there was a lot in those very first ones. So, that being said, obviously when we start getting further and further down, there will be stuff left. So I will just keep pulling it over until the collection is exhausted. And boy, will it be exhausted. So this is another orange one. There's the photo. It kind of worked with my photo. And we have all of these fun little items. It was fall, so I do have the pumpkin football fall leaves, and I think it's a pumpkin spice latte shirt on. I don't know. So, follow your dreams. I did selfie, be your own hero. We got some leaves because there's a leaf on the shirt. I think I started running out of frames. But look at all that fun stuff. These layouts are getting quicker and quicker. So, or this videos. So I do hope you guys like this. I mean, if not, please just let me know what you would like to see. And I do still have the stencils and everything that go with this collection. Those are going to stay in that big bag of fun. So as I need to use them, I will pull them out. So we've got, this is another neutral tone with a pop of blue in it. So we've got that, some paper frames. Look at all this fun stuff. More frames. Two birds, I don't know. Like I said, we were working it, right? All of these items. Another one of me and Erica. And then those three. Whoa, whoa. I think I just broke everything. Okay. That went a little haywire on me, didn't it? Another thing is I'm just cleaning up so much stuff and getting it organized. So like these will go with me to all the crops until they're used. And the fun thing is, like, I can use one and then I can move to something. I can move to a different kit, right? That's always my problem. When you just take one thing and you have to work with it, I'm not big on that. So, and you know, they are double-sided, so if I don't like the side I chose, I can, you know, flip it around, reverse it, do what we gotta do. This one just got all the stickers because it was the almost last kit I made. We got 3 hearts. I can paint and do all kinds of fun things too. So this is me and Fran getting ready to take class. I actually won that collection from Erica. I don't remember what she was drawing for. She just did a drawing and I won a random prize. I like random prize winning. doing really good on time. All right, and then the last one is just this. So it was just all of the leftover stuff. I'm not going to go through all that because it's a lot. So this is everything that was left over. And I was like, we're just going to throw this in there and see what we come of it, right? That's pretty much when I got lazy and I was done playing with the Discover and Create collection. So this is everything that we have for all of those photos. Is there even, there is photos in there as well. So that is fun. So those so far are the 2 collections that I went ahead and killed. And whoops, now I will be working on the next one. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Short, simple video. And I will see you later. Bye.